Hey, what's up, honeycrunchers? It's me, Jham, and welcome back to honeycrunch321. Today's nail art is requested by Ryoichi Takahashi. I hope I pronounced that correctly. If you want to request nail arts or video content, just leave them on the comment section below and I'll try to do them if I can. So first thing that I'm doing is applying a peel-off base coat to my natural nails. After letting it dry, I'm applying another. Then for my base, I'm using a nude shade. Then I'm using a nail art brush and a brown nail polish to paint some branches. Then after that, I'm using a dotting tool to add white flower-like shapes. It doesn't have to be a perfect flower shape. What I'm doing is just random blob shapes with white nail polish. Then after letting it dry, I'm applying a pink shade in the middle. Then after that, I'm applying dots of brown. Then for my index and pinky nail, I'm doing a dry brush design. After all of that, I sealed the design with top coat. If you guys enjoyed today's video, don't forget to hit like, share this video to your awesome friends, and subscribe. Never forget to follow me on Instagram to get the latest updates and more. I hope you guys liked today's video. And that's it for today, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you on my next video. Bye!